The next scientist we have is what? After the John Darting, next one we have is J.J. what? Thomson. Look at the J.J. Thomson in 18 what? 97. So after the what? J.J. what? Uh, after the Darting discovery, the J.J. Thomson discover two things, or I can call it what? Three things. The first thing that the J.J. Thomson talk about is what? The first one is J.J. Thomson discovered electron. So who discovered electron is J.J. what? Thomson. This same Thomson also discovered charge to mass ratio. So Thomson discovered what? Charge to what? To mass ratio. In the bracket, we have what? E over what? Mass, which is equal to the what? 1.76 times 10 raised to power minus 11. So the J.J. Thomson is the what? He discovered the what? The charge to what? Mass ratio equal to the what? 1.76 times 10 raised to power what? 11. And this same J.J. Thomson, it also has its own what? It also has its own atomic model. So these are the three basic contribution of what? Of Thomson in atomic discovery, or in historical what? Development of what? Of atom. Thomson discovered what? Electron. And it's also discovered what? The charge to mass ratio, which is E over mass, equal to the what? 1.76 times 10 to the power what? Minus 11. And it's also have its what? Its own atomic what? Model. And the Thomson atomic model is also called what? Plum bonding model. The Thomson atomic model, you can also call it what? Plum bonding what? Model. Plum bonding model of Thomson is also called what? Atomic, or the atomic model of Thomson, also call it what? Plum bonding model. And the Thomson model said that what? Atom is comprised of positive sphere, which embedded with what? Electrons. His model said that what? Atom comprised of what? The atom is, according to the what? Thomson model, we call it what? Plum bonding model. He said atom is a positive, he said atom comprised of positive sphere. Assume this is the positive sphere and embedded with what? Electron. So what? Inside this what? The positive sphere, we have many what? What? Electron. So he said atom is composed or is comprised of what? A positive sphere with embedded what? Electron. That is what? Uh, J.J. Thomson atomic what? Atomic model. He said what? An atom is a spherical sphere with positive charge, and the electron are distributed along the what? The sphere. That is what? J.J. Thomson atomic what? Model. It's also called what? pumping what? Plum pumping model. It's just like what? They can also call it what? Watermelon what? Model. If you look at what? Watermelon. If you call the watermelon, in the at the center of the what? Of the watermelon, we have seed that is embedded the what? The endocap of what? Of watermelon. So that's how the what? The Thomson model explain the structure of what? Of atom. But in summary again, J.J. Thomson discovered three things. He had three contributions in what? In atomic development. He discovered electron and he discovered what? Charge to mass ratio, which is 1.7 times 10 to the power minus 11. And it also has what? His own atomic what? Atomic model, which is known as what? Plum bonding model. So that is atom comprised of what? A positive sphere with electron embedded in what? In it. And the next scientist now, after J.J. Thomson, is Ernest Rutherford. So Ernest Rutherford contribute on atom on 1909. So I said the first person that discovered atom is what? Democritus. Atomic theory by what? J.J. Thomson. Yeah, atomic theory by John Dalton. The electron and charge to mass ratio by J.J. Thomson. And the next person is what? Lord what? Rutherford. The Rutherford discover, let me say, Rutherford also have two basic contribution in what? In atom. The first contribution of what? Of Rutherford in atomic development is what? It discover the positive central nucleus of atom by Goldford experiments or alpha scattered experiments. So this Rutherford, it discover what? Mhm. I said the Rutherford discover positive central what? Nucleus of what? Of an atom. So the contribution of what? Of this man in the atom is what? It discover what? New what? Nucleus of an atom. So it's the one that tells us that what? At the center of an atom, there is a particular something there called nucleus, and is the positive what? Positive charge by alpha scattered experiment, or you can also call it what? Goldford experiment. Because it used what? The experiment assumes that what? Said assume this is what? This is an atom. So let me draw it here. I will soon use that place. Mhm. He said, this is what? An atom. Sorry. This is what? And what? Atom, which is spherical charge. And here, center of atom here, we have nucleus there. Mhm. So the man now plays what? Let me say we have um, alpha particle here as radioactive what? Element or source. So when the alpha particle is coming from here now, this is the direction of alpha particle on getting to the what? To the atom. The ray pass through the atom. Another alpha particle coming like this, it pass through the what? Atom. Sorry. So this is another one. Likewise, this side too, this is another what? Beam. And we also have another. You observe that the alpha particle that is what? And we all know that what the charge for alpha particle is what? Is positive too. So when this alpha coming like this and get to the what? To this one go like this, and this that's coming like this too, it also what? Reflect back. This one that is coming like this too, also what? Bounce back. So let me have and try to put another one here. So you now observe that 90% of the being of alpha particle that is come from the what? From a radioactive source, they penetrate the what? The atom at what? At upper and lower level of the what? Of the atom. But at the center of atom, you know what? The little rays, they what? They deflect back. So, and he knows that what? This alpha particle is a positive charge, and for this ray to be what? To deflect back here from the law of what? Of charges, which is like charges repel or like charges attract, is known as what? There is particular what? Charge at the center of the water of the atom, which reflects the V ray that is what? That is bounced back. So this is what we call what? Alpha. And this element he used here, this is what we call what? Gold. This is what? Gold. He used gold, and here this is what? Alpha particle. So this is the experiment that is what Lord Rutherford used to what? To determine or to discover the nucleus of what? Of an atom. So he discovered what? The nucleus of what? Of an atom. And furthermore, this Lord Rutherford is also discover another things again called what? Like I said here that what? Rutherford discovered what? Nucleus. Let me put it here. We have Rutherford. He discovered what? Nucleus of what? Of atom. The second contribution of Rutherford on atomic development is what? He discovered it also have its own atomic what? Atomic model. And the Rutherford atomic model, we can also call it what? Planetary model. What? Planetary what? Model. So the Rutherford model is also as what? Planetary model is the one that tells us that what? The electron orbit the what? The nucleus. You know, I tell you what? The electron is moving around the what? The nucleus. Or electron orbits the what? The nucleus. The electron is what? Is moving around the nucleus with high speed. So those are the what? The two contributions of what? Of Rutherford in atomic what? Development. The first one is what? Discover what? Nucleus by alpha scattered what? By alpha scattered experiment or Goldford what? Experiment. So he bombard the alpha particle with what? With a tiny gold fold. In other words, 99% of the what? Of the alpha particle penetrate the what? The gold. But the remaining 0% or 1% are deflected. The one that is passed through the center of the atom, they deflect back, they bounce back. This tell us that what? At the center of what? Of this atom, there is a particular what? Particle here, which is as what? Positive charge, and it's called it what? Nucleus. If you could still remember in the cell theory that Robert Brown is the one that discovered what? The nucleus of a cell in what? In G. The Rutherford's atomic model can also call it what? Planetary what? Model. So is the one that tells us that what the electron is what? Is orbiting the what? The nucleus. So what? Electron is moving around the what? The orbit at high speed, like the planet that's moving around the what? Moving around the sun. So that's all about what? Rutherford.